VFM Audio. Today we're going to be talking about cable management. Yesterday we had a client come in and say that our cable ties were the cheapest he'd ever seen and the strongest he'd ever seen. So we thought we'd put it to the test. Now this cable I'm holding in my hand here is a 7.2mm wide, 380mm long black zip tie. This little baby is rated to 70 kilos, just over 70 kilos. You can pick yourself up one of these 100 pack for $9. That's nearly 2/3 cheaper than our competition, and the weight rating is 25 kilos heavier. So we thought we'd put it to the test today. Just before this video started, we tied two of our best-selling speakers up to this trussing, and they're going to stay there for the duration of the video. So those cable ties, the standard cable ties, are not the only ones that we do. We also do these little ones here, which are push mounts. So they go into a pre-drilled hole and then zip up like so, a range of different sizes. These ones here have a panel on them that can be written. These are great for AV or TV installation, to label all the cables behind your TV as to where they're going and what they're doing. We also do a range of sizes and colours with the standard zip ties. They also come in a pack like so. The Velcro zip ties are also a big seller. Velcro cable ties, I should say. So they come in a range of colours, and the tab on the end allows the zip tie to stay on the cable until you're ready to use it. We also do spiral wraps, a wide selection of colours in shrink wraps, colours and sizing. And we also do larger rolls of the Velcro cable ties. So if you need reliable cable management setups for cheap, hit us up on vfmaudio.com.au and shop online. Do you reckon we can do 3? I think we've proved our point. What do you think?